How to change Snapchat profile picture. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on your profile, here in the My Account section, you can click on the pencil icon at the top and select the picture you want to add as your profile picture. Press on confirm, and you will find a new profile picture. This is for public profile, but if you want to change your Bitmoji, you can also go to the hanger like icon at the top right and change your Bitmoji from here, and according to your Bitmoji, your profile picture will change as well. This is how to change Snapchat profile picture. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.